In this video, we will look at underway, making way and not making way, how to understand the difference and why it is important to know the difference. At the end of this video, there will be a link to video 2. Rule 3I of the collision avoidance rules states underway means that a vessel is not at anchor or made fast to the shore or aground. Therefore, if a vessel is not at anchor or made fast to the shore or aground, it is underway. A vessel is defined as making way when it is making way through the water. A vessel does not need to be using its engines to be making way, so long as it is making way through the water and has ability to steer. In summary, making way means the vessel is making way through the water. If the vessel is drifting and moving with the current, she is underway but not making way. If a vessel's engine is stopped but she is still moving through the water with momentum, she is making way. A vessel making way has control of her rudder and course. Let's look at some examples. Example 1. A vessel is approaching port and its engines are stopped, but she is moving with a speed of 10 knots. The vessel still has speed through the water and can alter her course using her rudder. She is underway and making way through the water. When the vessel's speed is reduced, below which the rudder is effective, and the ship cannot alter her course, then she would be underway and not making way. Example 2. A vessel is moving upriver with a speed of 4 knots, with a 4-knot current against it. The vessel's engines are running and the GPS speed over ground is showing 0. The vessel's speed over the ground is 0, but she is still moving in respect to the water. In this case, the vessel is underway and making way through the water. Example 3. A vessel is heading downriver with 5 knots of following current. The vessel has its engine stopped but is moving with a GPS speed over ground of 5 knots because of the following current. Even though the vessel is moving with respect to the ground, she is stopped in respect to the water. Therefore, the vessel is underway and not making way through the water. Why is it important to know the difference between underway, making way and not making way? Some vessels make changes to their navigation lights and sound signals when they change status from underway and making way to underway and not making way. To watch the next video that explains which vessels change their light sound signals, click on the below link for video 2 of 2, underway and making way. Thank you for watching the video. For more information about Master 200 and Master 500 examination preparation courses, visit www.master200.info or call Andy on 087 707 9989.